Hello everyone, I am MD.M. I hope you guys are fine and doing well. So today we'll continue our video of the poem Legend of Northland. Then good Saint Peter grew angry, for he was hungry and faint, and surely such a woman was enough to provoke a saint. And he said, "You are far too selfish to dwell in a human form, to have both food and shelter, and fire to keep you warm. Now you shall build as the bird do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard, dry wood." So before I may proceed, let me write the meaning of difficult words. Your first one is provoke. Provoke means cause a strong reaction. Provoke, cause a strong, cause a strong reaction. The next one is your dwell. Live. Boring. Making holes in the tree trunk. Tree trunk with big two. Find food. And the next one is your infuriate. Infuriate. Infuriate means make angry. Make angry. Famished. Famished. Very hungry. Very hungry. Scant. Barely enough. Barely enough. So your first word is provoke. Provoke means cause a strong reaction. And the next one is dwell. Dwell means live. Boring, making holes in the tree trunk with bit to find food. Infuriate, make angry. Famished, very hungry. Scant, barely enough. So now let us go through it. This uncharitable and greedy behavior infuriated Saint Peter. ये जो उस लिटिल लेडी की जो अनचैरिटेबल और ग्रीडी बिहेवियर जो था, इससे कौन बहुत गुस्सा हो गए? इससे सेंट पीटर बहुत गुस्सा हो गए. He was famished by then and felt faint from hunger. He was very hungry and was fainting from hunger. Being a saint, he was a man of compassion and charity, and her selfishness was enough to provoke him further. Just because who was he? He was a saint. वो एक साधु थे. तो that means he was man of compassion and charity. तो वो दया और दान दोनों ही चीज क्या करते थे. लेकिन but that little lady, she was selfish enough, which provoked whom? Which provoked Saint Peter. He told the woman that she was too greedy to live in human form and enjoy the comfort of food, shelter, and fire to keep her warm. And then what he said? He said that you are too greedy to dwell in human body and to enjoy the benefits like food, shelter, and fire. He cursed and said that henceforth she would build nest like the birds did and would have to work extremely hard for food. So what he said? In anger, he cursed her and said, from today onward, you will build your nest as the bird do, and you will have to work really very hard to find scanty of food. मतलब उसने ये कहा कि आज से तुम ह्यूमन बॉडी में ड्वेल नहीं करोगे, ठीक है, और ना ही वो सारी बेनिफिट जो ह्यूमन बॉडी ह्यूमन बीइंग एवेल करते हैं वो तुम नहीं करोगे. आज से तुम अपना घोंसला बनाओगी और थोड़ी से फूड के लिए भी तुम्हें थ्रू आउट द डे क्या करना होगा, बहुत मेहनत करना होगा. यू विल हैव टू फाइंड, यू विल हैव टू वर्क रियली वेरी हार्ड इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड स्कैंटी ऑफ फूड. Even then, she would get only a tiny morsel to eat. She would have to live in the forest and search for scant food in the jungle by boring all the day in the dry hard wood. That means इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी उसे क्या होगा, पूरा खाना नहीं मिलेगा. She will not get enough food. She will live in the forest. अब से वो कहाँ रहेगी, तो वो जंगलों में रहेगी. And search for scant food in the jungle. और थोड़े से फूड के लिए वो पूरा दिन इधर उधर घूमती रहेगी. And by boring all the day in dry wood, hard wood, dry hard wood. और वो क्या करेगी, by boring dry hard wood in order to find food for herself. This was the curse which was given by Saint Peter when he grew very angry. Because that little lady, she was not ready to part even the like wafer of the cake, wafer like cake. So guys, thank you very much. Next we'll discuss in our next video. Till the time, take care of yourself.